Ladies Chica, abangan natin ang pasabog ng Donbell sa May 27. Huwag mong palampasin ang kanilang movie dahil malalaman mo doon ang tunay nilang estado ng kanilang relasyon after 6 years. Sabi nga ni Direk, I must say na this movie is really based on the relationship they once had in real life because they truly had something before. All for former Donbell fans should watch because this film is about their story, their relationship story or their love story. Dito mo malalaman kung babalik pa ba sila sa isa't isa o tuluyang maghihiwalay na.